So as I can see, they're all ready for the start. Counting down. Start. Okay, the robots, as before, first going to the purple dispensers, loading the discs into the robot successfully. Now moving to the blue one. Yes, collecting all the discs. And now let's launching them over the fence on the places. The blue and green covered with discs. And the other robot also launching the discs on the other side. It looks well for the Slovenian teams. 20 seconds to go. Just wait for the hands to reach out. I believe it's going to be top score. Let's wait a few seconds. The hands are out. Well done, the green area. This will be very high score. They are happy. Happy faces, satisfied faces. But, hands up. Something. Okay. Oh, 5 seconds. Leaving the controller on the ground. In the case if the score is tie, but I believe it won't be the case this time. But wait. 105 is to beat to win the finals, to be the champion of Slovenia Open. Are they going to manage it? Will the Slovenian teams will they win the Slovenian Open? Come on, come on, come on. Very nervous they seem to be. Okay. The judges are corresponding in Finnish language, so though we don't understand it. Just recognizing the faces, the face expressions. Hardest time for waiting. Let's wait. 160 points, so we got the champion. These are the Slovenian teams, the Shouting Stars and Team Wally. Bravo for Slovenia. Excellent work. Very proud of you. Congratulations.